Hey everyone, this is Shubham and welcome to our AWS tutorial. In the last few lectures, we've been seeing how to create an EC2 instance. We have completed our identity and access management as well, and then look into our public IP address, right? Now, in this lecture, we're going to discuss about security groups. Okay, and we'll see the hands-on of that as well. So, what is security group? Like security groups is kind of things which which controls the access using the network to your EC2 instance. It's like kind of a okay. So, if you consider you can consider them in a firewall, and that firewall, what it does, like this firewall controls in and out traffic flow on your instance, and that is how it does between IPv4 to IPv6 lockdown region range. And with that, you need to know a lot of ports about it. And I guess you don't need to remember it, but yeah, it's good to know. You have, suppose you use HTTP, right, which is an unsecured one. You have that for port 80, and then you have HTTPS for that 443. Such like secure, like if you want to access the secure website, that is why if you're in instance select HTTPS for your security protocol, then it will be giving you, okay, yeah, you can, then your browser won't be giving you this certification error for that your website is not safe. You have file transfer protocol 21, and then secure file transfer if you want to do that is having the port of 22. So yeah, this is the brief about security groups. And again, I'm gonna push over here. Security groups is nothing just kind of a firewall that controls the access in and out access of your instance, okay, using network. So without any getting delay, we are over here, right? And we'll see like in basic how it happens, what it does, right? So it is in the left pane. If you try to yeah, so I'm over here. I want to go to EC2. I've reached to EC2. You'll see there are multiple instances I've created, launch wizard 1, wizard 2, wizard 3, wizard 4. And that you need to go to network call. Network and security you've seen, right? Over here, you go to security groups. When you come to security groups, it should be launched over here somewhere. For suppose this. Okay. Instead of that, I'll go over here, security groups. It will wait. It will be loading up. It has loaded up now, right? So you will see for every instance, there would be one secure group ID, which is unique to that. And then you can see over here, there are 3 inbound rules and 1 outbound rules. So see, outbound rules I have not selected. So outbound traffic can be from anywhere. Like that is what in outbound rules, if you'll see, I'll go over here and I'll show you why it is from anywhere. Because suppose I want in my virtual server or EC2 instance to update some kind of software, send some kind of mail. That is why outbound rules had been kept like 1 permission entry. Inbound rules having 3 permission. I will show you to delete them and run your run your public IP, and you'll get timeout error, and then add back them again. So I've come over here. So there are 3 inbound rules. If you see SSH, HTTP, HTTP. So one is like HTTP for IPv4, where IPv4 syntax you will see is like a 40.0.0.0/0. That will be from anywhere, and then 1:0 that will be for anywhere. I'll show you that as well to you. And outbound, if you see outbound rule, it is all traffic channelizing. All traffic can go outside, right? This also can be controlled. Now, if you see, let's go back to your instance. Okay, before going back to your instance, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to inbound rule. I'm gonna edit the inbound rule. Okay, so in edit, see, I've told you about this, right? So this is in IPv4. If I'm not wrong, yeah, this is an IPv4. The anywhere, this should be anywhere, like traffic from anywhere. This is an IPv6. So we will keep SSH, we will delete HTTP, and HTTP anywhere IPv6. Save the rule. rules are saved, going to our instances, right? And I guess we have closed for it, right? So we will run this particular instance IP. I will open this particular address, and I'll see it will keep on loading. It will not load you the main thing, and in the end, it will say, "Hey, it's been around a minute or something, or 30 seconds, I guess the time, and I am not able to reach this particular server." That's when it's gonna say, "Hey, it's timed out." To avoid that, what we generally do, so yeah, this won't work because you have already I guess for this server only, you've already deleted this inbound server. We'll go back over here again in our network. Where is it? Network and security groups. And in security groups, see, I have only one. So I'll go to edit inbound rules and I'll add them so that it won't generally hamper that stuff. And while adding them, I'll show you that there are other type of security groups you can add as well. So there are, see, custom TCP has been given. You have HTTP, and I've told you, right, for HTTP, what did I tell you? The port is 80. So if you select 80, it will come as 80. What I've told for HTTPS, I have told you 443, right? It is 443 for HTTPS. FTP, FFTP, I've also told you. You have RDP as well for Windows accessing website. So currently, I am gonna go with HTTP the way it was. We'll see everything in future. And here you can select your custom IP, right? My IP will be your system IP. Anywhere IPv4, you're the syntax of this one. Anywhere IPv6, you're the syntax of colon 1. So I'll select this. And I'll create one more with another IPv6 ID, HTTP, anywhere, IPv6, and this is this. And now we'll save rule. And once you save this particular rule and launch your instance, it will reach to that particular server. So if any time you're not able to reach or access your virtual server that or launch that particular instance, that means there is an issue with your inbound rules of your security groups. You can manage that and it will work for you fine. So this is about it. We'll go and we'll see these things in details in further lectures. But for now, this is about it. We have just started with our security groups and we will deep dive and see more about it. Till that time, please provide your feedback. Thank you so much.